Get into the 2024 Hyundai Sonata. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual-zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. Feel a new sense of confidence every time you take the wheel of this well-built, smooth-riding Sonata. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.